Every morning I do a short wake up mobility practice that brings fresh oxygen into my body, gets the blood moving and circulating, and wakes up the joints and the muscles. I like saving my more intense workouts for later in the day, and in the morning really focus on getting the body moving, get it fluid, and at the same time that mental focus prepared for the rest of the day. So I have a very highly productive day, because without this daily practice I start getting kind of slow and low energy, and I like keeping my energy up and accomplish as much as I can every single day. So join me for today's wake up mobility practice. You just need a little bit of space, that way you can move around. You can do this anywhere. You can do this in your bedroom, in your living room, outside, at a park, anywhere where you just have a little bit of space and some ground. Let's get to it. So go ahead and just follow along as best as you can, and if you need to make any kind of modifications, feel free to do so. We're working within our comfort zone, and make this workout your own. We're going to start off with 5 deep breaths, stilling the body, stilling the mind. I like putting one hand on my belly, one hand on my chest. 5 deep breaths, into our nose, out to our mouth. Calm the mind and focus the mind on the present. Listen to your breathing, listen to the sounds that are around you, birds chirping, the wind, traffic if you're in an urban area. This practice is all about being present. Get a little extension in the body. Have our feet about shoulder or hips distance. Inhale as we raise up onto the balls of our feet. Exhale as we press down. 4 more. Two more. We're going to go ahead, let the hands trace down the legs, and just let our body come down nice and easy, and just let it hang. Don't worry if you can't touch the ground. It's not really about that. We're just going to let it hang. Just kind of sway back and forth a little bit. Let there be a nice, easy stretch in the hamstrings, back. You even feel some of that blood going to your head. And then we're going to come back up. All right. Get a little more extension with the arms. Fingers interlaced, coming all the way up to the top. Inhale. Exhale, open it up. Again. 3 more. Get that nice little stretch in the shoulders and the chest. We're going to widen our stance outside of our hip and shoulder distance. We're going to come up with the hands, right hand on top, and then we're going to press down and out with the left hand as we're drawing a bow. Exhale. Left hand comes across. Inhale as we rise. Other side, draw the bow. Exhale. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we're going to go ahead and straighten our legs, let our hands come down to the ground, and focus on our inhale and exhale. We're going to try and keep our back straight here, so no rounding in the back, as best as we can. Place the right hand in the middle like a tripod, triangle here. Left hand, we're going to reach up to the sky. Make sure we're twisting through the back and not through our neck. And we're going to switch. Left hand to the ground. Right hand comes all the way up to the sky, twisting through the spine. Make sure we're getting full deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay. Right hand is going to come over by the left foot. We're going to turn the body and we're going to look straight forward, getting a nice little stretch in the hip flexors. From here, left hand, we're going to reach up to the sky, get a little bit different twist into the body, into the spine. We're going to feel a little bit more in the thoracic here. And if you got it, if you can't do this next move, just stay here. If you want to try it, we're going to thread the right leg through and kick through. And bring it back. Switching to the other side. Left hand on the ground next to the right foot and look forward. Make sure that your knee is not touching the ground here. When the knee is up, that's going to put more stretch into our hip flexors. Right hand up to the sky, looking up. Make sure that you can breathe comfortably. Full deep breaths. If your breath starts to shorten, pull back on the stretch. All right, let's go ahead and try to thread the left leg if you can. Do the best you can. And bring it back. We're going to walk it back to the middle, bring our feet in and come down into our squat. I'll back it up a little bit here. From here, we're going to grab right hand to left ankle and we're going to twist up. Get a little bit deeper into that thoracic spine. And go to the other side. Left hand grabs the right ankle. Right hand goes up. Let's do one more on each side. This is one of my favorite movements to do in the mornings to wake up my back. And going into the squat is great for the hips, for the knees, for the ankles, that lower body mobility. We're going to come up into a forward fold, hands on the ground. And don't worry if your knees don't go straight. It's fine if they're bent. Even if they're way bent, that's okay. We're going to feel that stretch in the hamstring. All right, we're going to come back down. We're going to come into the crawl position, and we're going to do a little bit of core activation while we get some extension in the back. So from here, want us to come back. Don't let your knees touch the ground though. So the core is going to stay engaged the whole time. We're going to come forward and extend, look up. and bring it back. Up. Bring it back. Up. Do two more. Last one. And extend. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bring our butt up into this almost down dog position. And we're gonna walk our hands back, meet our feet back into the squat position. Let's go and reach right hand behind, left hand behind, and we're gonna extend the hips up into our tabletop. Again, breathing in through our nose, out through our mouth. If you want a little bit more stretch in the shoulders, you can turn your fingers towards your feet. And for a little bit more stretch, you can lean your weight into your feet. Okay. We're gonna bring our right hand between our legs, come up into our tripod position. While we're coming up, opposite leg, so left leg's going to extend. We're gonna reach. And bring it back. Switch hands. Bring it back. One more time on both sides. Bring it back. And the other side. And bring it back. We're gonna flip over back into our tabletop position just like this. And we're gonna kick our legs through. Right leg comes through as the left hand comes up. Bring it back. Left leg kicks through as the right hand comes up. Bring it back. Again, right leg. And left leg. One more time. Right leg. And left leg. Coming back up into our squat position. Back into the forward fold. See if we can get a little bit more extended. And we're gonna come up, up. Let the hands track the body. Reach all the way up to the sky. Hands come down to our backs, to the kidneys. Exhale as our hands trace the back of our legs. Inhale as we stretch and rise. Hold the breath. Once your hands get to your kidneys, exhale on the way down. Inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. 2 more. One more. Let the hands trace the body on the way up. And we have 5 fast inhale and exhales. Hands come up onto the balls of our feet, and drop everything on the exhale. Do 5 together. All right, and deep breath, just like the beginning. Four more. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out, let the body shake, shaking out the hands, shaking out the arms, shaking out the feet, shaking out the whole body. And that's it. Now I get to start my workout, my strength training, my martial arts. I got the blood moving. My body is rich with good, fresh oxygen. My joints feel good. My muscles are feeling pretty good. And I'm ready to have a grand and productive day. If you like these types of follow-along mobility practices, please hit the like button, subscribe to the Martial Flex channel, and hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you do not miss any upcoming videos here at Martial Flex, where we have our daily practices in the martial arts, mobility, and meditation to ensure a healthy lifestyle filled of longevity in the capability and capacity of our body and mind and even spirit. So go have a beautiful and productive day, and I'll catch you back here next time.